We could think about nucleophilic character of benzene. As I said before, if we had an electron donating substituent, oxygen could donate electron density towards the oxygen-carbon bond and allow for this orthocarbon to hold a formally negative charge. But the formally negative charge could also just attack an electrophile, something that has electron poor. As it attacks the electrophile, we will form this structure where, if you remember, this carbon, where the cursor is, has a bond to two carbons, so two carbon bonds, and a third carbon-hydrogen bond that is not drawn here. So when you draw the reaction with the electrophile, there is a hydrogen that is present, the electrophile that was attacked, and the central carbon now has 4 bonds. And so we have this positively charged oxygen, and because of formal charges, we would like to state that this is positively charged. And we can have water, which acts like a base. This electron lone pair can abstract the proton that was originally placed at that carbon. The electron density between the hydrogen and carbon falls back into the benzene ring, and then the oxygen-carbon double bond, that second bond